What's up, you guys? Today we're back with one of my old high school classmates' cars. This is her BMW 760i. This thing has a 4.4 liter BMW M twin power turbo V8. It also has a 48 volt mild hybrid system. Not too sure what that means, but this thing pushes 536 horsepower and about 553 foot-pounds of torque. Its 0 to 60 time is about 4.1 seconds, which is not bad considering it is about 5,000 pounds. Yeah, this is a big car. Considering this is such a big car, it also has some big screens inside of it. Up front, this thing has a 4.9 inch touchscreen with a 12.3 inch digital gauge cluster. That's pretty huge. And she did option for the 31.3 inch 8K BMW theater screen in the back seat. Now tell me that's not a huge screen for a car. We will be focusing on those screens later when I get to the interior, but for now let's focus on this filthy exterior. You could see here from the beginning of the video, the entire exterior is covered in road grime, debris, brake dust, anything you think of this car has on it right now, so we need to get it cleaned up. Here you can see I'm starting off with the wheels. I typically always start off with the wheels. I'm using this wheel acid here. This is a chrome wheel acid, so it's not as strong as regular wheel acid, just so I don't etch anything into the paint on the wheels or stain it with acid or anything like that. Especially on warmer days or sunny days like this, I have to work a little bit quicker, but with this chrome wheel acid, it makes it a lot easier to work with. Alright, you guys, I'll get on with the hand washing process of this car right now, and I'll be back with you guys once I finish drying it up. With the exterior all cleaned up now, we'll move on to the interior. We're going to start off with the screens, all the wood grain, the black piano trim, all these touch sensitive, they're not buttons, they're just like well, I guess they are buttons, right? Just touch sensitive buttons. So when I'm going over them with the microfiber towel and this window cleaner just to get off all the fingerprints and any oils that may accumulate over time, it kind of sets off all the buttons. So when I'm cleaning it all up, you'll see the glove box opens, and then when I'm going down by the cup holders in that center console area, all the navigation buttons for the infotainment screen, everything starts going off. After cleaning all that up, I'll go ahead and move on to the windshield, the side windows. I didn't record that. I totally forgot to set up my camera to record me cleaning the windows, but just rest assured that they are clean, and then we'll go ahead and move on to vacuuming and cleaning up the seats. You'll see here, at least how I do it, I think it's always good to spread apart the seams. Everything gets caught in between the seams, so when you're doing a detail like this, you always want to spread apart the seams, make sure you get out all the dust, any hair, anything that may have fallen out of your pocket. I know it sounds weird, but sometimes I find coins in between the seams on the seat, and it's no good to keep them there. So I'll go ahead and throw them in the cup holder if I do find any. This car didn't have it, but I don't know if you guys have dealt with it, but I sure have. There's always a bunch of random stuff there, so please be sure to spread out the seams and make sure you vacuum everything up. Now, these back seats don't really get used too often, so it's mostly all dust that just gets thrown back when the windows are open, or when she does have passengers in the back seat. You can see on the floor mats there is some debris, but it's really easy to clean up back here. Nothing too bad, nothing too crazy. Something else that kind of gets overlooked sometimes is lifting up the floor mats. A lot of things could get trapped underneath the floor mats, especially if they move around a lot. If you have kids, they like to kick around the floor mats or anything like that. Some dirt, I've seen grass, I've seen pet hair, anything really. It'll get blown under there somehow. It'll find its way, it'll crawl underneath there and then stay there forever if your detailer doesn't lift up the floor mats and clean it up. So please be sure, if you're a detailer, you're cleaning underneath the floor mats, or if you have a detailer, please make sure that they are cleaning underneath your floor mats too. All right, now that we're done, we'll move on to the exterior, the final showing of the car. So you'll see the exterior is nice and cleaned up now. No more dust, no more brake dust. The tires are all dressed up. We'll move on to the interior here. All the screens are cleaned up, no fingerprints. All the black piano trim is looking good. Leather's nice and matte. The back seats, the floors are all clean. The seats are nice and matte back here too. And that big screen in the back is nice and clean. All the wood grain finish is all nice. And that's it for this one, you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe, like, comment, follow, and share with all your friends if you want to see more videos like this in the future.